Good morning, students. In the last two videos, we have seen the change in the format of active into passive voice. In first video, we saw of present tense. In second, we saw future. Now we will learn how to convert active into passive if the sentence are in future tense. So let's start with the very first, future indefinite. Everybody knows the formation of future indefinite, that is subject plus will, shall plus first form of verb plus object. Future indefinite means something which is going to happen in future. We know shall is used with I, they and you, while will is used with he, she or with any name of a person. So how we will change into passive? The same formation is almost same in every tense. Object will come in the first, it will work as your subject, plus will, shall, it's in future, then plus be. And I told you in passive, always keep in your mind whenever you are changing active into passive, the form of verb will be changed into third form of verb. If you will go through the last videos as well, in future, in past, in present, while converting into passive, the form of verb will always be third form, plus by plus subject. So let's see the example. Active. In active it says he will win the match. He is your subject. Will, when is the first form of verb, and object is your the match. Now your object will work as your subject in passive, so it will come in the front. The match will be, what is the third form? Won. Won by you. Alright. The match will be won by you. Now we will see. Okay, let me tell you, there is no change of active into passive in future continuous tense. If you get any sentence in future continuous and it tells you to convert into passive, so there will be no change of, you cannot convert future continuous into passive. So we will see directly future perfect. If the sentence, the formation in active is subject plus will have, shall have plus third form of verb plus object. The formation is almost same in present, past and in future. Object will come in the front, shall have been, will have been plus third form of verb plus by plus subject. Let's see the example. In active, if the sentence is given, they will have planted a tree. They, your subject, will have planted a tree. A tree will come in the front. A tree will have been planted by them. Alright, hope you all have understood how to change active into passive. If you still have any doubt, you can directly send me the question based on this formation. Alright, thank you so much.